Have you ever wondered if there's a better way to get through passport control in Europe? Well, today I'm going to show you how. When we were in Paris in 2022, just to get out of Paris to go through passport control took us over an hour and a half. We recommend you fly to Iceland. Well, how does this work? Well, Iceland is a member of the Schengen area, which is most Western European countries. So that means if you're flying from the United States to Europe, you can fly into Iceland first, take a connecting flight to your final destination. When you arrive in Iceland, you'll go through passport control, but when you connect to your next flight, you won't have to go through passport control again. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're flying into a busy airport like Charles de Gaulle. When you land in Iceland, you're going to be routed to this set of stairs that takes you upstairs to passport control. Don't be concerned about if there's any line. A lot of flights on Iceland Air land at the same time of the morning within an hour of each other. They get you in really quick. The longest we've ever stood in this line was about 7 minutes. They stamp your passport, get you through, and then you go to your connecting flight. Now when you come back through, if you're flying in from Europe back to the United States, it's the same process. We just landed in Reykjavik or Keflavik, and this is the line to enter the United States. A lot shorter than in Paris when we did it that one time. You'll go through passport control, and once you're through passport control, you'll go downstairs to the connecting flights that'll take you to America. And these tend to leave at the same time as well, so be prepared for a little bit more crowded area downstairs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.